Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi had announced his ambitious plan to provide bank accounts to all citizens. But with a huge rural population, it remains an aim which is yet to be achieved. Now the government is planning to provide a set of new banking licenses to ensure its reach to even remote areas. A report.
India is moving on plans to liberalize and clean up the banking sector. The Reserve Bank says it will issue a set of licenses by the end of August. One for a small finance bank which will undertake basic banking activities, accept deposits and lend to small and micro business units. And one for what's called a payment bank which will be allowed to do payment and remittances but not lend cash. The aim? Financial inclusion.
The idea is to bring more and more people under the formal banking umbrella. And to do that, the government and RBI definitely realizes that capital is needed.
Today, only half of the Indian households have access to formal banking services, and bringing finance to the masses could be a boon for the economy, if it's done correctly.
It's going to be a watertight kind of an issuance. There's going to be a great rules and regulations to be followed. Any entity which does not qualify even for a single reason, however big or small it is, will definitely be denied. The effort by RBI is definitely going to be more on the allocation in terms of geographies.
That means bringing banks into the more rural parts of the country. And it's an undertaking that requires a strong balance sheet.
I think, there are challenges on the profitability front. I don't think anybody is expecting to turn profitable before 5 years. I think that's a long haul. People have to be extremely efficient in running the operations to ensure they achieve break-even quickly. Technology will play a big role because when you are servicing a lot of customers, unless you have the right technology, you will suffer.
But Indian firms seem determined to break into this market.
So far, 113 companies have applied for the license, but only 2 are up for grab in the near future. Nidhi Rai, South Asia Newsline, Mumbai.